Hello everyone. Today we will briefly introduce the connection procedures for our South one-man survey system. In this video, the primary device we use includes the NS30 robotic total station, H6 Plus controller, and the ALPS-1 receiver. First, we enter the connection interface, select the total station at RTK mode, choose NS30 or other robotic models as the equipment mode, and select Zigbee as the communication mode. Then enter the send panet and channel on the handheld device as those on the robotic total station. After connecting the total station, it will automatically redirect to the RTK connection interface. We need to select the manufacturer and the communication mode. Then select the corresponding serial number and then connect. At this point, we first proceed with the course setup for RTK, requiring the handheld device to be connected to the network. We click on the lower. Click on Data Link, select Data Collector Internet Mode, and then click on Course Configuration. Click Add, enter the corresponding course IP, port, and password. Select the mount point and click OK after completion. At this point, we return to the previous interface and observe whether the progress bar below is loading and changing. If it is changing, it indicates that the connection is successful. Then we return to the main interface of RTK. You will see the status is busy. Click on the point measurement and enter the point measurement interface. Click the two surveys icon. And according to the operation, at this point, the connection is complete. Then, return to the total station mode and click on Station Setup. Click Auto to obtain temperature, atmosphere pressure, and ppm values. Then enter the device height and target height. Then place the button of the point equipped with RTK onto the lowest laser point of the total station, and click on the positioning icon to obtain the coordinates. Then slide down, select the backside point type. Place the point 10 meters away from the total station. Keep it horizontal. Use Prism Search to find and lock the prism, and then click the positioning icon to obtain the coordinates of prism. Enter the next interface. Keep the point still, aim at the prism, and click Measure again to verify the error. If the error accuracy is within 3 cm, click Apply to complete the station setup. Finally, enter the point measurement interface of the total station. Click the RTK positioning icon, and the total station will automatically and quickly aim at the prism. Before measuring, we turn on the APR and lock and check switch, and select the checking mode. So once the robotic total station has searched the prism, it will lock it and check it continually.